Hi, Internet friends. It's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. I've got a request from a viewer on how to fix this this model and show drywall in here. I pulled up a couple of camera views and floor plans. The viewer says this was given to them, created in a model using the Canvas app, the measuring app that you can use from your phone, and Canvas will put it, actually it sends you a chief architect file. So I'm curious about a couple of things. One is, got to figure out the settings. That's why it's not showing drywall. I'm curious about this hole in the floor. I don't see that in plan view as a hole in the floor, so I'm going to switch to my working plan view. There it is. That's just a polyline that's created a hole in the floor. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to close this out and save that. And let's go back to working plan view. I'm going to shut off a few layers here so I can just see, and shift F6 so I can see what's happening here. First off, I want to see these walls. They're not default top wall height, so let's change that. That would go up to there. I'm going to select some roofs and go through here. Use room ceiling finish. There's that. And flat ceiling over this room. Maybe? No, that's not doing it. Let's take a section of this and just see what. $94. So I drew a line at this member here. I'm not sure what these members are. That's just a general framing. Okay, so if I put structure and put a flat ceiling here, it doesn't change it, but let's change the room to 94, or let's change the rough. Yeah, let's change that. Okay. So let's zoom in just a little closer. Finish to this member here is 7'9", so 7'8.5" would really be the finished ceiling. There we go. This one's unique. I'm not sure about what's up with that. Oh, I could have stayed on that. Let's take a section of this. Room specification. I don't want room spec. I want the wall. Click and tab. I'm not getting the wall selected. Well, partly because that isn't doesn't have drywall defined. Wall type siding 6. I don't know why that would be defined any differently. Let's just change it to siding 6. There you go. Let's change this one here to siding 6 as well. Let's just see what that does. There's that. Make this default top wall height too. Now this roof plane, some of the roof planes are kind of wonky, that's for sure. That's why the rest of this isn't getting drywall. This is just a okay, so let's go to roof plan view and just if that goes like so, and I'm going to take this one down here like that. And then these walls really would be, say, not railing. There we go. And then I'm going to move these roof planes inside the wall. There we go. And then I'm going to break the roof plane right here at the knee wall and bring it over like this. Break it right here and move it over like this. And then I'm going to move up into the attic. Oh yes, I can't do that. I gotta do this. Turn on my come on, reference layer. There it is. And let's just draw. That's okay. I'm gonna make this down here. And then I'm gonna take a section right here. Bring that back. This is just one way of doing it. I'm going to say roof cuts wall at bottom. There we go. I'm going to draw a line here. I'm not sure where let's turn this off. There it is. I don't know why that disappeared. Let's take a section on this side and just make sure it's the same thing here. I'm going to scooch over so I can see it in the 3D view. I'm going to do structure default bottom wall height. There we go. Let's make sure that is aligned with the floor below. That's just a framing member in there, so let's make sure that's, maybe I can change that to 9. Yep. And there's your drywall. Hope that's helpful. Take care.